Flux. Alright people, we got another one. I hope you're doing well out there, by the way. Pyle PPBCM9 compact body police camera with night vision, LCD display, 16GB internal memory, plus you can add up 32 GB supported, micro SD card in there. You see that towards the ending of the unboxing. This thing will connect directly to a monitor or to your TV. You're gonna see that also towards the end. Make sure to read the instruction that I've left on screen. I'm gonna let Mr. Robot read out the instruction for you in case you need further information. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. This will help you out if you are in duty of security and other category that deals with public and customer service, public orders, and so on and so forth. That's what it is about. You can also use it for your own personal protection. You can also use it for your house, for example. Okay, this thing is packed. The price is also affordable. If I haven't said that already, I bought it from the same spot. I'm gonna leave all the links right down below. You know where to get that. It's right down below. If you got any question, feel free to ask us. We will be ready to help you out. I'm gonna be releasing a full review about the product. I kind of had like a couple of days with it, but I don't want to be talking about that right about now. It's pretty positive, mostly. Other than that, make sure to like the video, and if it's your first time out here, thumbs up the video. Subscribe if it's your first time out here. Talk among yourself about what we do out here. We love you all here, and we love your support. I'm not gonna talk over the whole video. Just check it out for yourself. Mr. Robot, which is the new assistant, our personal AI assistant, gonna be reading out the instructions, product description for you in a bit. This product is pretty dope for the price, I'm telling you right about now. The battery life is also good, and yeah, dope all the way through. It's total, if you were to ask me if you should get this, I'll totally recommend it for anyone out there that wants it. It comes with a remote control, by the way. That's a novelty, but it's not a gimmick. I tried that out as well. It works. Other than that, guys, I'll catch you towards the end. All right, let's do it. Let's do it and do it. Let's get down to business.
Product description: lightweight, portable, versatile and wearable body camera, multifunctional. Camera plus camcorder plus voice recorder record full HD 1080p video, snap up to 8MP high-res images, button-activated night vision illumination, splash-proof water-resistant construction 2.0-inch digital LCD display displays video recording time, memory remaining, built-in microphone and speaker for audio recording, the ability to instantly playback captured media files, audio plus video, 16GB built-in memory, micro SD card slot for 32GB MAX support, built-in rechargeable battery input interface, USB mini AV, TV, monitor, connectors, simple touch button control operation, durable engineered ABS construction, date plus time setting, display auto exposure and picture adjustment, connect to computer, easy file save, share and transfer.
So guys, I hope that quick product description was helpful. So I said at the beginning, if you need, any help with these products, let us know right down below. We'll help you out. I'm gonna release a full review about it. Okay, it's pretty dope for the price. It's pretty solid. I think it's IP54, which is water splash proof, water resistant construction 2.0 digital LCD display, so on and so forth. So this is, you can stay under the rain, not for long, but for a little while. All right, so that's also helpful. So if this video was any helpful to you, make sure to share it. If it's your first time on here, as we always said, subscribe to the channel. Feel free to browse our channel. We got a lot of things happening out there. Thanks for watching. We shall surely see you on the next one. Keep it safe, keep it late as usual. And once again, thanks for watching. Salute. Peace out. Let's do it. Bang, 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 bang.